Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make thousands of dollars every single day, basically copy trading other people's wallets on Solana meme coins. So yes, I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step on how you can actually find profitable wallets and also how you can actually copy trade them automatically. Because basically once you found a profitable wallet, you literally don't have to do anything. Everything will be automatically done for you using a bot, completely free. It's really easy to set up. So let's just immediately get into the video. So yeah, basically I've already made a few videos basically on how to make a shitload of money trading Solana meme coins. We can see it right here. However, I've never really talked about making a lot of money trading or basically copy trading other people's wallets that buy Solana meme coins. However, if you can actually get this to work, then this is literally a printing money machine basically, because someone else does the work for you, meaning you literally don't have to do anything, meaning you can just sit back, relax and wait for the money to come in. However, we do of course need a wallet that we can copy trade. There are a few reasons or basically ways in order to find a wallet that is good enough to copy trade. So first of all, how can we find a wallet? Well, you can do it on this website called dexscreen.com, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. You can also use Twitter and use Twitter accounts such as On-Chain Data Nerd or Look On Chain. First, I quickly want to show you guys how you can actually do it over on Twitter, because in my opinion that's the easiest. So what you do is go to a Twitter account such as On-Chain Data Nerd or Look On Chain, and basically all these guys are doing are just posting wallets basically that are just doing extremely good trades, as if they are insiders basically. We can see right here that's basically all they're doing. For example, right here, they're just finding wallets that are making a shitload of money buying and selling Solana meme coins, and they just post about it, show everyone what they are doing, and they also include their wallet address. For example, right here, this tweet is from 11 hours ago. He just posted saying he found a wallet that turned $8,000 and over $1.2 million in just 2 months using a single Solana meme coin. Now of course this can potentially be an interesting wallet in order to copy trade. I mean, if this guy can turn 8k into 1.2 million in 2 months, he probably can do it again and again and again, simply because he's either extremely experienced or he has some crazy insider information. So basically what you just simply do is, I'll have these two accounts also linked in the description below. You will basically just simply find a post like that. Now once you've found a post, I quickly want to show you guys what you need to do then. But before I do that, I quickly wanted to say that if you want to actually start copy trading, you first of all need to use a Telegram trading bot in order to actually use the copy trading feature. Because you will not be able to copy trade someone's wallet manually, that will just not work of course. And Radium and Jupiter don't have copy trading features. So what you need is Trojan on Solana. It allows you to copy trade right here. I'm going to show you guys exactly how basically all of that works in just a second. But yeah, that's what you need. I'll have that bot linked, first link in the description below. Make sure you use that one and don't just search it up on Telegram, because a lot of scams are going around for this bot. Make sure you're having the right one. It's called Trojan, first link in the description below. Now that being said, once you've found a whale basically, or an insider that you think is trading really good and that you basically find interesting on one of their Twitter accounts, what you simply do is see if they're making profits, and this guy definitely is. He turned 60 Solana and over $1.2 million, which is insane, meaning that if we now go to his wallet, we can see if he's actually doing transactions. Because this is the most important thing right now about this wallet. It's really important that he is actually buying and selling Solana meme coins. Because a lot of these wallets these guys are posting about are basically just wallets that are buying and selling meme coins like once a month and only buy like big projects. And that's of course not what we want. We want someone that is doing basically transactions every single day. So it's really important that we find a wallet that is doing quite a few transactions every single day. So right here we click on transactions and we just see how long his last transaction was. We can see 1 hour ago, and what we then do is see what kind of transaction this was. We can see this was a scam transaction. It's just basically it's just not a transaction that makes any sense. We can see these are the scam type of transactions. So we quickly want to see if he's actually buying Solana meme coins. You can simply do that by clicking on some of transactions and to see basically if it's an actual swap. For example, right here he clearly swapped 30 Solana for some coins. So yeah, it seems like this wallet is potentially really active. Maybe here as well. Here he swapped some more and he transferred. So this could potentially be a good wallet. He is right now trading Solana meme coins quite actively. We've already seen him trade once. This is another one. So let me quickly find some more transactions of this wallet. I mean, he is already buying and selling some coins. So this could potentially be a quite decent wallet in order to copy trade. He's not doing any crazy transactions, so it could be a little bit slow. But the transactions he is taking are probably going to be pretty smart. I mean, he has $1.8 million in his wallet. So everything he buys is most likely planned out. So yeah, this could potentially be an extremely good wallet to copy trade. But let's quickly look further for one more. So I actually found one myself before I started making this video, which was looking extremely interesting. It's this wallet right here. And this wallet has made over 290 Solana in just the last like a month or so trading Solana meme coins. And he literally right now has bought over 5,000 Solana meme coins. And he is actually basically trading Solana meme coins extremely actively. We can see 4 minutes ago he bought a Solana meme coin, 12 minutes ago, 24 minutes ago, 23 minutes ago. So I don't really know what kind of wallet this is. However, it does seem like it's an actual person and not a bot, because he is doing a lot of transactions every single minute, but not like any crazy type of amount. I mean, I can do also transactions like these as well. So this does seem like an extremely good wallet to copy trade. Reason for it, he is doing a lot of transactions every single hour and every single day. Meaning that basically your bot will also do a lot more, and it's just not going to just sit there and do nothing because the wallet you're targeting isn't doing anything. So what you want to simply do is find wallets like these that are doing like thousands of transactions every single, maybe like every single week or month, like that are genuinely buying 5 to 10 coins every single day. Then what you also need to make sure to do that he is of course actually profitable. Well, this guy on Twitter basically did the calculations for us, and he has made over 300 Solana, almost 300 Solana in the basically since the 9th of April, which is just in 1 month, buying Solana meme coins. So it definitely seems like this guy is really profitable. Basically, once you find a wallet like this that is extremely active, however that is also doing transactions, what we can actually do right now is start to copy trade him. Now, in order to do that, we need that Trojan bot like I talked about earlier. What we can do is click on copy trade right here, click on new, and basically once you've done that, enter the target wallet. So this is the wallet you want to copy trade, of course. So all I do is click on enter, just like this, and then you have entered the target wallet. Now, basically, like I said, if you want to use the same bot, make sure you go check it out. First link in the description below. But what you now need to do is make sure that copy sells is also enabled, because of course you want to buy and sell whenever he buys and sell. Also, what you need to do is make sure to set buyer percentage. This is basically every single time that guy is going to simply buy a coin, you of course need to also buy a certain amount of that coin. So let's say I put this at 0.001 Solana. This means that every time this wallet buys a coin, it will also buy it for 0.001 Solana. I would always recommend keeping this extremely low, because if this is extremely high and the wallet you're trying to copy trade is just randomly going on a random buy spree, it could just empty out your entire account. So it's really important that you're only buying, basically only doing small amounts. For example, this wallet I found is literally buying coins every single hour, so you don't want to put in any crazy big amounts. Now, once you've basically done this, what we can do is click on add, and basically once we've done that, we have now basically created a copy trading setup. I will just quickly pause it because I don't really want this to actually basically copy trade. But yeah, as long as it basically gives you a green emoji right here, it means that it's right now copy trading that wallet. And that's literally all you need to do. What you can then do is click on it. You can either unpass it again or pass it. You can delete it, whatever. But yeah, basically as long as it's green, it means it's running, and every time that guy buys, it will basically also buy. And that's extremely easy. It's literally all that. The hardest part basically is just simply finding a good wallet. And basically once you find a good wallet, all you need to do is just click on copy trade and literally just do what I did a few minutes ago, what I showed you guys. It's really easy. Just click on target wallet, enter the wallet, buy percentage, and that's it. Now you can also actually find Solana wallets using DEX Screener. To do this, you can literally go to any pair you want. I would recommend using bigger pairs, but it doesn't really matter. So for example, this coin literally came out just a few hours ago. What we can then do is click on top traders, and right here we can see basically the traders that have made the most amount of money from of these coins. And most of the time these are basically traders that either have insider information or are extremely lucky or just know what they're doing. So what you can do is just click right here on TXN and you can exactly see where this guy is buying and selling. We can see this guy literally bought the second it came out, meaning this is either an insider that knows a lot about certain Solana meme coins, he's the developer of this coin, or he is extremely lucky. But what I would simply recommend doing is simply going to his wallet like this, checking if he's buying any other Solana meme coins, and if he is, then I would simply also copy trade that wallet. And remember, if they're only buying like one coin every single day, you can also just copy trade multiple wallets at once. You can literally have 10, 20, 30 wallets that are being copy traded on your bot. So you can literally choose whatever wallet you want and also how many wallets you want. If you want a lot of transactions every single hour on that wallet, then I would just recommend copy trading like 10 or 20 wallets, and then you should be good to go. Of course, it is still gambling because you are still copying someone else. It's not like you're copying some crazy artificial intelligence bot. You're still copying normal people. But yeah, if you can find a wallet that has basically been proven to be basically profitable over a longer period, it could potentially be an extremely good it just could be an extremely good way in order to make money if you simply copy trade his wallet. So I just quickly wanted to say that this is of course still really risky. There's a chance that the guy is not profitable, that he maybe just empty his account or just buys into an honeypot or something, or buys a rug coin. So it's always really important that you only basically copy trade these wallets with an extremely small amount of Solana. And if they're extremely profitable, then you can scale that up and up and up. But yeah, this is basically how I am making a shitload of money right now, simply copy trading Solana meme coins. Solana wallets, basically Solana meme coin wallets, extremely easy. So that's basically all I have for you guys right now. I would really appreciate if you could like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out Trojan, first link in the description below. And that being said, I hope I will see you guys in the next crypto meme coin review.